Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel, and our featured property for today is a semi-furnished, modern Asian design residential located in a exclusive subdivision. This is a flood-free community in the heart of Angeles City. Before we begin, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. This is our facade. As you can see, I did mention that this is a bungalow residential, and ang kanyang lot area ay 240 square meters. Lot area, ang floor area naman niya ay 210 square meters. Sa harap, you will see, ang facade natin, meron tayong simple landscaping. And yeah, I think you'll notice na sobrang spacious niya. Very spacious ang ating property. Tingnan mo naman. Ang fence natin, it's a mixture of course, meron tayong accent wall doon. We also have metal fence and na naka-matchy-matchy sa ating gate. Our gate is also automated, guys. This is a 2-car carport, and as you can see, fully covered po ang ating carport. Diba? Mas ma-appreciate nyo kasi pag nakita nyo ganyan. 240 square meters, lot area, again, 210 floor area. This is your service gate. And pagpasok nyo sa entrance gate, elevated. But before tayo pumunta kung saan tayo nag-intro, dito muna tayo. Okay. So, sobrang luwang ng property natin. Spacious siya. Meron ka pang space here. This is actually, you can make this an additional garden, or you can do this or you can have this as your drying area. Lalakad ako para makita nyo kung gano'n siya kalayo. Ganyan siya kalayo. Meron pa doon. But I'm staying sa sa stone pathway natin. You can add more plants, or pwede rin itong maging corner ng yung mga kids playing area. Pwede rin. And I just want to mention this one. Ang fence natin meron siyang accent. And as you can see, may mga details tayo dyan. Ang mga details na to, it doesn't just add aesthetic, but also it lets the air pass through para yung hangin pumapasok sa ating property, hindi mainit, hindi suffocating, di ba? Alright, pag akit mo dito, wide porch. And this is a bristle. Ang bristle, it helps with sa init ng araw. Para hindi siya diretso sa mga windows natin. Aside from it really looks nice, elegant, meron siyang function para sa pag-cool down ng ating property. Let's walk. This is your plant box. You have a simple landscaping din dito na garden. And may plant box ka pa dito. I like what they did here. Kasi, ito yung, this window, nandito yung, nandito yung ating dining area. So, parang may ibang vibe. Mas nakaka-relax. Okay. Dito yung ating carport. I did mention this is 2-car carport. Ay, ang spacious niya pa. Very spacious siya, kahit 2 vans, maluwang pa siya. Automated ang ating gate. And here, sige, bago tayo pumasok, pakita ko na to, para tuloy-tuloy tayo. This is your laundry area. You have your sink there. Dito yung washing machine, you have socket, may mga cabinets ka dyan. And of course, this is your maid's room. Uy, spacious. See? Single bed, double deck, tapos meron ka pang socket dyan. Pwede ka maglagay ng vanity, mirror, or dresser, or cabinet. Pwede pa. And then, of course, meron din silang sarili nilang bathroom. Maid's bathroom. Yung may shower area dito. Sink, toilet, and floor-to-ceiling ang tiles natin. So, it's not just a plain painted wall. May material po ang ating wall. Paglabas natin, your carport, yan, may faucet, and ayan, pin lights, fully covered. May makita kayo mga lights that still needs bulbs, kasi we're still finishing pa ang property. So, pasok na tayo para makita natin sa loob. your solid door, massive with design, and black handle. Mas ba tayo? Pagpasok nyo, super love ko ang living area. Dahil, look, ang ganda ng color, tapos mayroon siyang mga accent ng wall dito sa may bandang TV console na mirrors. Diba, bago ka umalis ng bahay, daan ka muna siya. Very nice. These are all included. Diba, meron ka pang accent wall dito, socket, TV console, with, of course, storage. You can mount your TV here, or pwede mong ipataw at meron ka namang shelves ito. I just want to appreciate your center light dahil very nice. Ang color at ang design. Tapos may mga spotlights ka pa. I think these are COB lights. Very nice. Cove lights dahil meron kang drop ceiling. And to the left. Dahil bungalow ito, of course, wala tayong second floor, kaya expect, nandito na ang ating first bed. Wow! Very spacious ang ating first bedroom, which is actually overlooking your... ito yung may Bersailles kanina. Okay? So, ito yung may Bersailles kanina, yung first bedroom mo sa yung property. Very nice. Look at the accent wall. It's your accent wall. And then, the curtains, of course, which are included. The aircon is included. Your center light, very simple, minimalist, yet so elegant. At of course, ang iyong built-in cabinets. Soft close, everyone. Yan. May mga drawers na rin po tayo dyan. Ang spacious queen-size bed kasya dito. And you can still put a vanity mirror kung gusto mo or study table. Ganon siya ka-spacious. Let me just check this one. Nag-change yung color. Okay, let's go. And next is your common bathroom. Wow! Ang laki ng vanity mirror natin. This is your vanity mirror. I think meron kang task light dyan. You have a task light, a huge vanity mirror, undermount sink, at white quartz countertop shelves, drawers, storage, at meron kang shelves dyan. Spacious ang your shower area. Tempered glass partition, which is actually high. No? And, perfect yung size niya. Since some are very low. From floor to ceiling na tiles. And ito, naka-ready na ang 4-hour heater. You have a silver stainless steel shower set at ang iyong drainage wall. Perfect. Ang ganda. Kasi yung drainage niya, guys, it's linear. Pag linear kasi, hindi to basta-basta. Mas mabilis ma-drain yung water. Diba? Niche for your soap and your shampoo. Next is another bedroom. This is your bedroom too. Wow, ang spacious naman ng mga bedrooms natin. This is where you put your bed. Put it here or put it there. Pwede rin. Queen size bed. Here. Dito siya. But if you want there, pwede rin naman. But perfect siya dito kasi you can put your TV there. You can mount your TV there. Queen size bed. Actually, king size bed. Kaya pa eh. Ganun siya ka-spacious, guys. At ang ganda ng color dahil yung floor natin, wood design, which is lighter than your cabinet. No? Very, zen. And of course, your elegant center light. You have spotlights there. This is your vanity area. Pwede mo siyang gawing study area if you want, but still look, ang spacious pa dito. May drawer yan. You can put your chair lang dyan. Study area. Let's go. From your living area, meron kang very nice na lanay. If you have small gatherings, and you just want to extend yung mga tables, pwede dito. Diba? Ang nice niya. Also, to my left, ito na yung papunta sa master bedroom. So, may access yung master bedroom going to this lanai. You can put more plants here. Mga hanging plants. Diba? Ang ganda. Accent. Very intimate corner. Very intimate lanai. And of course, lakad tayo dito. Here is your dining area. Oh, ang ganda, no? Kasi yung ibang mga na-feature na houses natin, they're all very nice. But this one, meron siyang partition. No, some kasi gusto nila there's a partition between, the living area and the dining area, so there could be privacy, no? And this is so nice dahil even if may partition siya, very spacious pa rin yung ating dining area. Look at this. This is a 8-seater dining table or dining set with a very nice chandelier or drop light. See? But kung nandito ka, you can still see kung sino yung nandun sa living area. So you still have sila. Ito yung sa labas kanina na pinakita ko, yung may plant box. Diba, alam mo, ang spacious niya talaga kasi kahit na i-move mo yung mga tables ng paatras pa, you can freely move sa likod ng mga tables. And you can still add, ano pa dito? Pinakita ko na agad yung formal kitchen, no? You can put stools, but there are 3 stools para maging breakfast nocturne. Another full bath. Oh, very spacious naman talaga tong. Okay, from here, this is your shower area, tempered glass partition, stainless steel silver shower set, floor to ceiling ang tiles natin. Ang ganda ng tiles natin, hindi basta-basta. Very nice. 'Di ba ang luwang, maximize talaga yung yung every corner of the property. Look at that. Ang luwang pa ng undermount sink mo. Okay, dito na tayo sa ating formal kitchen dahil napakaganda ng formal kitchen. Dito ka pwede maglagay ng stools, 3 stools para maging your breakfast nook. Yan. You have drop lights which are very very classic. Meron ka pa dito, mga storage here. Range hood, cooktop, and oven. These are all included. Everything you see during our house tour, these are all included. Brand new pong mga yan. Double bowl stainless steel sink. And this is a window overlooking your parking area. Alam mo, ang perfect nito. Kasi pag halimbawa, nag-park ka, after mo nag-park, mamaya ko papakita. Okay, so ito, mga drawers. Nice. Your waterfall countertop. So, in your waterfall countertop, diretso yun dito, yung cut niya. So, this is your preparation area. Of course, this side-by-side refrigerator is included. Napakaganda ng color. Nag-stand out siya dahil dark gray ang kanyang color. It's dark gray or black, but something like that. Ang kitchen mo, brown, light brown, tapos bigla siyang lilitaw. Very elegant. May mga shelves ka here. At ito, isa to sa mga favorite ko nung pagpasok kong nakita ko to. This is your pantry or pag nakikita ko to, ang naisip ko ay coffee corner. Diba? Saktong-sakto ang ating mga socket. At ang ating ilaw. There. Coffee corner. You put your coffee machine here, yung mga mugs and all, diba? You have here, this is a barn door, sliding door, going to your auxiliary kitchen, service kitchen, or dirty kitchen. Look at that, double bowl stainless steel sink. You have all the storage na kailangan mo. Ito yung door kanina, yung pinakita ko nung sa start ng ating house tour. Going to your maid's area, or maid's room. Ito yung sinasabi ko that from your carport, if ever may mga bisita, you have your groceries and all, pwede mo na siyang idiretso dito sa yung dirty kitchen. Diba? Into your pantry. Lastly, ang ating master bedroom. This is your master bedroom. There's your... Ayan ang yung master bedroom. Ito yung access niya to your lanai. Which is so relaxing. Diba? Yan, meron kang side table here. Side drawer. Side drawer. Very functional. Side drawer. And, pakita ko yung lanai paglabas nyo. Oh, di ba? So nice, no? Tapos you have, oh, okay, hindi ko to nakita kanina. You have clerestory window sa taas and sa yung master bedroom. So, of course, daylight, natural light, tipid sa kuryente, at bukod sa napakaganda, no? Pag ang ating natural light papasok dyan, ang ganda ng view to your living area. Okay, pasok tayo. Your TV console, sa side niya, you also have your CCTV area na meron ng sariling cabinet. Ay, ang arte. May sariling cabinet. Meron siyang sariling cabinet, diba? Very neat. At masarap sa mata. Malinis. Accent wall, fluted panels. Your console. Your TV console or TV area. You can mount your TV here. Patong mo dyan. Or, ayan, or i-bracket mo dyan. Queen size bed. With headboard, bed frame, headboard, ayan. Ang headboard natin, tignan mo naman, may design tayo ng mga groove lines, at, parang ano to, accent wood accent. No? Of course, may wall dyan, pero binigyan pa natin ng wood accent para meron siyang ibang dati. This side naman, you have a very nice side lamp dito para sa yung vanity area. Mirror. Drawer. Just mag-add ka na lang ng chair dito. I just want to appreciate, of course, yung tiles natin. Tiles natin na wood design. Okay. From here, ang gandang tignan ng clerestory window. No? Ang perfect ng lanay kasi hindi close yung area na yun, so papasok yung araw. Oh, hindi ko na-mention yung isang mirror dito, which I want to show you. This one. See, pagpasok mo, meron kang accent pagpasok. This one. Not just a plain painted wall, but you have artistic designed mirror. And, eto, storage. Full body mirror. Full body mirror / your cabinet. At hindi lang yan, meron ka pa dito. So do not fret because you have all the storage that you need. Na meron pang drawer. There you go. And of course, your master bathroom. Oh, this is your master bathroom. Pagpasok mo, as you can see, ang side ng ating shower area, this is dark colored. Pero still, floor to ceiling pa rin ang tiles natin. Tempered glass partition, very spacious, linear drainage. Silver stainless steel shower set. At this is your sink. Meron kang mga additional shelves dito. Pwede mo lagay dyan mga brush, toothbrush. Wait lang. Oh, may ilaw. That's light. And there you have it. Let's go for our recap. And for our recap, this is a semi-furnished modern Asian design bungalow residential located in exclusive subdivision, a flood-free community in the heart of Angeles City. So when I say in the heart of Angeles City, this is very accessible to schools, markets, malls, hospitals, and other major business establishment. This is also an exclusive subdivision which has great amenities. No, we have your basketball court, your tennis court, your pool area, your fitness gym, and many more. Our lot area is 240 square meters at ang ating floor area ay 210 square meters. So some highlights ng ating property na nakita natin kanina, of course, your automated gate, your spacious carport, your landscape garden, of course, your very elegant facade, at ang color palette natin na hindi mahirap, hindi mahirap ternohan ng mga nais mong ilagay sa iyong property. The color palette is really 100% aesthetic. Okay, what else? Ang mga spacious bedrooms natin, we have 3 bedrooms which are all spacious, 3 toilet and bath, and kasama din dito ang 5 aircon units. You have 8 camera CCTV, included din po yan. Also, ang highlights natin, yung maid's room natin with outdoor toilet and bath. And of course, yung mga appliances na nakita nyo, these are all included. You have your ref, your cooktop, range, your oven. These are all included. So if you're interested, Please don't hesitate to contact us. We are Blueprint Properties Pampanga. You can catch us on our Facebook page, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Message us on Messenger, and you can also message us on Instagram, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Follow us on TikTok, BP Pampanga, and you can also follow me on TikTok, Anna Lalu, and Instagram, Anna Lalu, because I'll be posting teasers while ini-edit pa yung ating full house tour, and you can already book your trippings. Guys, pwede na kayo mag-book ng trippings kahit wala pa yung ating full house tour. Just send me a message and we can schedule and block your preferred day for your tripping. Again, thank you so much for being with us sa aming another house tour. And of course, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aming YouTube channel, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house speaks. Wala. Eme. Ulit. Ang pinagsasabi ko. Look at ang ating, kulang, saan yung mga ilaw nito? Of course, my storage. Sino-check ako multipoint. Ulit. Hindi ka mag-shop dito. It doesn't get, forget it. Semi-furnish. Ano ba yun? 210 floor area. Sir. Okay na eh. Bakit nagkaganon?